Right here we have an iPhone 8 with a broken back glass. Let's get this thing fixed. We'll start by placing it in the laser machine and letting the laser vaporize the adhesive that sits in between the glass and the frame. While doing so, it's going to eat away at the paint and leave behind this really cool, clear look. Next, we'll take it over to our workstation and we'll get started with the process we like to call crunch time. The laser avoids the wireless charging coil and other sensitive areas, so for those, we have to go really slow, apply some heat, and gently work the glass off of there. Once we've removed all of the glass, it's time to put it in the laser machine for round 2 so it can vaporize any remaining adhesive. Then I'll remove it from the laser machine to brush off any remaining glue flakes just before I take it back to my workstation and start gluing it down. Here I'll use both slow and fast setting adhesive to lessen the cure time. Finally, we'll replace the back glass just before we clamp it down. All that's left is making it look nice and shiny before we give it back to the customer. And here we are, as good as new. Thank you so much for watching.